Hi, everybody. It is Tuesday, terrific Tuesday, and it is time for reading. And today you're going to be going on Get Epic and reading the book Rosie Revere Engineer yourself or with a family member. But I wanted to talk to you about what I really want you to focus on today instead of just reading it, not paying direct attention to one thing. So I want you to listen to the whole story, of course, and comprehend it. But the thing I want you to really zoom in on today are the three big characters in this story. Rosie Revere is our main character, so we're going to really zoom in on her. But we also need to look at Uncle Fred and Great Aunt Rose because they both play very important roles in this story. Now, when I say zoom in and really look at them, I want you to do something that doesn't just take your eyes. Because today I'm not talking about just thinking of them as how they look and describing the outside of them. I want you to really get in there and think about what's inside. How do they feel? What is their personality like? That's what we're looking at today. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an example because you're like, what? Don't just look at the outside. No, don't just look at the outside. Today we're going to be doing some inferencing to understand these characters better. Let me show you what I mean. So let me start the book for you, and I'm going to show you how to take a really good zoom in look. Okay, here we go with the very first page. It says, "This is the story of Rosie Revere, who dreamed of becoming a great engineer. In Lila Greer's classroom at Blue River Creek, young Rosie sat shyly, not daring to speak." Okay, so if you zoom in on Rosie, we can actually tell something with that illustration and those words. She's at school and she doesn't want to speak. Does that tell us that she is super outgoing? Does it tell us she doesn't want to get in trouble? Does it tell us she's not comfortable being herself? What does it tell us? It tells us that she's kind of staying to herself, right? She's not super comfortable. She doesn't want to be in trouble. She doesn't seem to want to get attention. Listen to the next page. "But when no one saw her, she peeked in the trash for treasures to add to her engineer stash. And late at night, Rosie rolled up her sleeves and built in her hideaway under the eaves." So the words and the pictures on this page, wow, they don't tell us that she's shy and staying to herself necessarily. They're telling me she's very creative. Does that tell you she's creative? If she's going through people's trash to find treasures and she has an engineer's stash? And so that's what you're going to be doing. Reading the words, looking at the pictures, and inferring, if it says her great Aunt Rose built airplanes, I bet that means she was a hard worker. Or if she's done everything, checking everything off her list, and she only has one left, wow, she's adventurous. She's done a lot of things. The book isn't saying, "Hi, I'm Great Aunt Rose and I'm super adventurous." But we can figure it out by reading the story, listening to those word clues, looking at those picture clues. So today that's what you're going to do. As you're reading, really stop and think on each page, what is this book telling me not just with the words on the page, those exact words. What can I infer about this character? Okay, so that's your job for today. Go through and then you're going to use those things that you find in the story to describe our 3 characters in Google Classroom. All right, I can't wait to see how it goes. Bye.